Introducing the 2019 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD M-OM, the epitome of luxury and safety on the road. With a sleek grey exterior and a spacious MPV body style, this vehicle exudes sophistication. Packed with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and a collision avoidance braking system, you can drive with peace of mind and comfort. And with security features like ABS, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags, safety is always a top priority. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can make this Volvo yours today.